Welcome to 왜 그러냐 내가. Today I will cook home. 홈이라 그랬냐? 밥시 채널. And research. 리서치냐? Today we will. 내가 왜 그러? Today we will cook this. 야, 너 하지 마. 너 그러니까 내가 we need salami oil and grape. 내가 왜 그러냐? 안 돼. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babsi home cooked salmon roll. 포테이토. 왜 생각이 안 나? This is I forgot this name. Potato. Today I will show how to make pork belly. Today I will show to how to cook pork belly. 목소리가 안 나온다. And today I will 왜 이렇게 안 돼 또? I want to show to show to you가 아니라 이제 왜 this done pumpkin. I will cook glue 왜 glue pumpkin이지 왜 안 되냐? Also my ingredient, my style. Yes. Now I will start make. We need this. I will 왜 그래 내가? Make 이게 뭐지? 펌킨이 아니지. This cucumber and this 이거 잊어버렸네. And this is this powder. I will cook. 다시. Today I will cook home. 홈이라 그랬냐? I will cook Korean style. 잊어버렸어. 크런치 프라이드 치킨. Welcome to. 왜 그러냐 내가. order.
밥시 채널.
大家好，我是 아니 왜 안 돼? 근데 왜 그러냐? 밥시 채널 아이워 생각이 안 나. 大家好，欢迎光临，我是밥시 채널. I have many experience at countries. You know, for it, 왜 그래 안 되냐? 난 왜 안 되냐? And about my nickname Babsi, it has two special cooking. 다시 할게. And straight and very very simple person. 안 돼. 처음부터 할게. So I have many experience at countries. My special recipe to you. To you를 두 번이나 했네. Hi everyone. 시작하고 2초 쉬라고 그랬는데 또. I will tell you 또 하면 they said I'm very cute. So they always hug me. So it will be my food이 왜 생각이 안 나냐? My food. Welcome to Babsi home cooking channel. This is Babs. I am Babs인데 왜 this is? It will be very encouraging for me. See you many times in my.
다 틀렸어.
See you again. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel. It will be a very great encouraging for me. Thank you very much. If you like, please subscribe my channel. It will be very great encouraging for me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please remember me, Babsi. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye. 내 얼굴은 안 나와? Also today I introduce our Lily. Very nice, very nice. Lily, very nice dog. Lily.
자연스럽게 춤을 춰봐. 어차피 썸네일. 얼굴 펴서 자연스럽게.
말을 하지 말고.
그래, 자연스럽게 웃으면서.
Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and like. 구독.